got something coming out of the departure tracks. And look at what we got here. An SD45-2. Arizona and California, no, but it's still an SD45-2. Former Santa Fe, I'm sure. So this is its old stomping grounds. Well, I brought it out to Barstow to do some work on it. But that's an SD45-2. I have seen these come in before, so I'm sure they've got a contract with BNSF if they need anything major done. But this is what once plied the rails of the Santa Fe years ago. Pretty much all you ever saw. Here we got something else. That train that was in front of us, he just left. Good to see that SD45-2. They're still around.